non-human animals continue to contradict our expectations about their intelligence, empathy, and mental processes. Our new knowledge of animal minds is exciting, but these insights also make it more urgent that we start questioning our presumptions about what makes a person. Here we will discuss about the top 12 smartest animals in the world. Keep watching to know which one is the smartest. Before we continue, subscribe to our channel and watch more of us. Researchers are continually astounded by non-human creatures' intelligence. The way we approach and interact with non-human species in our daily lives is challenged by our growing understanding of their intelligence and capabilities. These findings unavoidably raise the question of whether an animal with the intelligence of a human child should live its entire life as a pet in a cage or whether it should be prepared as a meal with mashed potatoes and green beans. A crucial next step is to challenge the way we think about non-human creatures and their place in the world in light of the findings. Number 12. Crows. Crows are incredibly bright birds that are well recognized for their fascination with shiny things. But their skills don't stop with the assortment of lovely trinkets. They possess a sort of higher thought that was previously believed to be exclusive to humans and a small number of other mammals. Number 11. Pigeons. Pigeons are frequently considered to be an annoyance and are sometimes referred to as the rats of the sky. Pigeons are actually very intelligent and have the capacity for thought, reasoning, and memory of pigeons that were trained to differentiate between works of art by Picasso and Monet mastered the assignment with ease. After that, they could use what they had learned to tell apart pieces of art they had never seen before. Number 10. Rats. Rats' capacity for learning from experience is one of the factors that makes them so popular for laboratory study. This capability has been used to develop a variety of experiments evaluating their capacity for thought and reasoning. Rats are capable of learning and remembering what the test entails, making subsequent tests much more challenging. As a result, the ability of rats to learn also dictates how inhumane tests like forced swim tests are conducted. Number 9. Bonobos. Bonobos are one of the rare species that live in matriarchal groups, earning them the nickname the hippies of the animal kingdom due to their free, spirited temperament. Additionally, they are a tremendously clever animal that can feel empathy for even strangers. In tests when they were seen completing a task that resulted in a treat being delivered to another bonobo, bonobos showed empathy toward strangers. When another bonobo was present to get the treat, the bonobos opted to perform the job more frequently than they did when no other ape was present. This result suggests that the bonobos' motivations included a desire to aid the other ape, at least in part. Number 8. Octopuses. Octopuses have a history of getting out of their owner's control and getting into trouble in aquariums all over the world, according to even a rudimentary investigation into them. Some have even been able to escape their aquatic confinements and return to the wild without the knowledge of their caretakers. Given that they have the highest brain to body ratio of any species of known invertebrate, their abilities seem less astounding. Octopuses are skilled at using tools that they find in their environment. Some species are known to use the deadly Portuguese man-of-war's tentacles as weapons, while others gather and carry coconut shells to construct their own homes. Number 7. Gray African parrots. African gray parrots are considered to be among the most intelligent animals on Earth, rivaling even apes in intelligence. According to some experts, these parrots' capacity for reasoning is comparable to that of a 3 or 4-year-old human youngster. Deductive reasoning is known to help African gray parrots solve issues, notably figuring out which of two boxes contains a food reward. They can cooperate to attain the intended result as well. Number 6. Elephants. Animals' intelligence never ceases to astound us. Elephants are one example of an animal that we originally thought to be rather sluggish and stupid but who is actually very intelligent. Elephants have been observed manipulating their surroundings on a number of instances in order to forward their objectives. At the National Zoo in Washington, D.C., an elephant named Kandula displayed the skills typical of his species. He made the decision while out for a stroll in his enclosure that he wanted to get the fruit that had been placed by researchers on a bamboo stalk that was just out of his reach. He moved a block under the tree and used it to get to the fruit, which was something he had never done before. In other words, he controlled his environment to accomplish his objective. Are among the most intelligent species on Earth, according to this research. Number 5. Chimpanzee. It is not surprising that endless hours of study have been devoted to comprehending the intelligence and behavior of our sister species because we share 99% of our DNA with chimpanzees. Chimpanzees researchers have long recognized that chimpanzees are capable of abstract thought. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, according to numerous studies, which supports their capacity to struggle with abstract ideas. Number 4. Pigs. Although a lot of people have the misconception that pigs are unclean, lethargic, and not very intelligent, the truth is that pigs prefer to be active, clean, and intellectual. Omelette, Hamlet, Ebony, and Ivory, 4 pigs housed at Purdue University's Center for Animal Welfare Science, showed that their species is capable of learning by engaging in a straightforward video game. The object of the game was to direct a dot toward a blue wall by using a joystick. The pigs got a treat after striking the wall. The level of skill demonstrated by all 4 pigs was well above what could have been predicted by chance. The pigs had to comprehend that manipulating the joystick caused movement on the screen in order to participate in the game. Number 3. Ravens. Ravens are highly clever birds, and because of their jet black color and distinctive call, they are frequently thought to be omens. Ravens have proven to be more adept at handling abstract ideas and foreseeing problems than human children. In one experiment, these birds chose a key from a variety of items that could be used later to open a box containing a preferred food, planning ahead by up to 17 hours. 90% of the time, the ravens decided on the key. This proves that the ravens had their plan for obtaining their treat well in advance. Number 2. Dolphins. One of the planet's most intellectual creatures is the dolphin, which is well known. They have a strong capacity for imitation and learning. Number 1. Humans. We often use our own intelligence as a benchmark when assessing the intelligence of other species because we are humans. Our ability to learn from experience, apply knowledge to influence our environment, adapt to new circumstances, and comprehend and manage abstract concepts are the key indicators of intelligence that we demonstrate and test for. These broad categories encompass a wide range of competencies, including the capacity to learn, recall, memorize, reason, observe, and solve problems. We as a species are excellent at all of these things, therefore we anticipate that other intelligent species will be excellent at them as well. So, what do you think about this? Do tell us in the comments. Also subscribe to our channel before you leave. See you in another video.